Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to draw a pumpkin, and we've got the steps, and the steps are also printed on the website. So what I want everybody to do is click on the website and look at all of the links, and then also find this document because it's also there. It's called Printable Lesson. And then use whatever materials you have. You can use a piece of paper that has something on the other side that's upcycling, whatever you got. And we're gonna go ahead and do all these steps. Then when you color it, you're gonna have to use your own imagination when you color it, and I'll talk about that in a minute. If you do not have crayons, you can always do a grayscale. And a grayscale is where you just use a pencil, and it looks pretty cool. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and read the objective to you. And let's see, it says, I can, create a pumpkin using lines and shapes. I can color my pumpkin and my background with crayons, and I can try my best as an independent learner and follow the step-by-step instructions. So let's just try to do that. I'm going to go ahead and get this piece of paper, and I'm just going to fold it this way. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to fold it this way. The reason why I'm doing this, it's going to give you an idea of where the middle is and also a horizon line. So I want you to find the middle and draw a nice skinny oval. And that should be your first step for our pumpkin. I already drew one. I'm going to try it again. All right, our second step, we have to go over here to the right. We're going to draw a curved line, connect it there. We're going to do the same thing over here. And then you just have to repeat these same steps a couple more times to make our pumpkin fatter. And I might add a little bit more because I think I need a fatter pumpkin. I'm just adding some more to it. You can always add a little few of your own personal touches. So once you get done with your pumpkin body shape, you're going to go to the top, make a curved line that goes up. We're going to do a stem. And then you can do another curved line, but I'm going to stylize my stem. I'm extending my curved line. I'm going to personalize it. All right. Make an oval here if you'd like to do a bigger stem. Okay. Now what you have to do is find the horizon line. If you folded your paper in half, find that middle line. This is going to give you a middle ground, a foreground, and a background. Okay, this is your foreground. Your pumpkin's actually in the foreground. The middle ground is going to be the grass or the field it's in. And then your background, sky. That's when you add a horizon line. That's what it does. It gives you more dimension. Now what I'm going to do is draw a wavy line. And another one right below it. I'm going to do another one here. And I'm going to put some leaves. And you just try to make a curved line that goes up and a curved line that goes down. You can do it over here too. The bottom, curved line, and then another curved line. You have to do that over here with the this side. So make some leaves because there are leaves on a vine. And if you watch the videos on the website, all the links that are below, you're going to find out about the pumpkin, the different facts about a pumpkin, how it grows, and just some cool stuff on how people use the pumpkin in food around the world, different recipes. There's some places around the world where they eat pumpkin all year round. It's not just a Thanksgiving thing. Okay. Now this part here is where you are going to have to use your imagination. What color is your sky? I did a pumpkin earlier, and my sky's at night. I have a night sky with the moon out and some stars. I even made my grass have a pattern, but you don't have to do that. You can do whatever you want. What time of day is it out there in the pumpkin patch? Is it nighttime where there's stars and a moon out? Is it sunny? Is it a blue sky? Is it a sky that's gray because there's a storm? Is the sky, I don't know, sunset? I've seen sunsets where it looks like fire and there's purple and there's red and orange and yellow and, you know, so you have to decide what time of day is it. And your grass. Well, what if the pumpkin is out there and it's the fall and all the grass is brown? I don't know. So you're going to have to think about your own time of day and season and color your pumpkin. The same thing here. I've seen yellow, orange pumpkins. I've seen pumpkins that are white. There's all kinds of colors. So you're going to have to decide what color is your pumpkin and try to use some harvest colors. That would be cool. The harvest colors are like browns and oranges, yellow, like a dark red. But use your imagination. You definitely want to have to make this thing big enough so it stands out. Okay? Don't draw a pumpkin that's like that big. A lot of times I'll see kids drawing pumpkins where they look gigantic and it over dominates the page. You know, as an art teacher, I've seen a lot of stuff. So just kind of keep it right in the middle and have some breathing room around here to do your background, okay? And watch all the videos. I'll be back with some more stuff. You guys have a wonderful day today. And I am going to post this and I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye.